Earlier, we saw that HuggingFace can store datasets, and there are many datasets out there that you might want to make use of in HuggingFace. So let's take a look quickly at how you can access those datasets through Python code. Just like we've seen datasets in Kaggle, you can also use Python code to access these. We begin just by first doing our usual check to see if we're in Colab. And then we are going to make use of the transformers, just like we've done many times before, but also the data sets. This generates a lot of noise as this stuff is installed, but we can scroll through that. And then we can list the data sets. We can see all of the data sets that are available. This can be potentially useful if you want to write some sort of a browsing application. And you can see there are a lot of them. We are going to pull across the data set for emotion. This helps you to create models that might do sentiment analysis. And you can do basically just a quick scan of it. You can see that there are 16,000 rows in the training set. And then it's pretty customary for these data sets in Hugging Face to make use of a training, test, and validation set. You can print out the one near the beginning. I'm grabbing a minute to post. I feel greedily wrong. The grammar is not perfect there, but again, this is coming from Twitter often, so consider that. We can get the individual features for this, so you can see that this sentence that we just pulled across from this data set, the emotion data set, we can see that it has text, which is that string that we just took a look at. But you can also see it has class label, and the class label can be sadness, joy, love, anger, fear, surprise. So it lets you know what sentiment it is actually detecting. And then you can look at each of these in terms of how um, how it's labeling each of those values. We can also link these labels, these numbers, to the actual what it's feeling. I didn't feel humiliated, sadness. I can't go, sadness. That one I could see maybe love. I am grabbing a minute to post. I feel greedy, wrong. So again, these are the various sentiments that are being detected by these. You can also plot this to a bar chart if you want to. So you can see it's mostly joy, some sadness. And then we can truly just go through that entire data set and tokenize it, and then also calculate the sentiment analysis on it. Thank you for watching this video, and if this was useful, then give me a like. Please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss even more topics as we go through them in this course.